Okay. This is my bed. That's iTunes 9. That was the lens cap. So this is my bed with my blanket. This is the view from the window. Lots of trees. Fun stuff. And this is my desk. My money tree. And my friend made that money tree. This is where all my Spring Awakening things will go, but for now, just as Lucas's name in Spring Awakening. It's my roommate's bed. It's my roommate. Say hi. She's very nice. It's the bathroom. It has like only my stuff because I'm kind of a pig. This is the shower with my stuff in it again. And this is all of the cupboard space we have, which is great. So I'm going to do whatever I'm supposed to be doing right now, and I'll see you guys later.